I would have to consider myself pretty lucky so far on this YouTube journey. There's been very few things that have gotten in my way and stopped me from progressing on my different projects. But no matter how hard a person tries to control things, every now and then, well, life gets in the way. This past week, well, we definitely had a wake-up call. We had about 3 days of rain, and things definitely went sideways. Given that we live on a hill and we live next to a wetland, we found ourselves taking on a little more water than we wanted to. The hydraulic pressure on the walls, well, we started getting a leak in our basement. The roads, well, they started washing out. And we had multiple nights where we needed to deal with that. We were up about every 2 hours, dumping buckets, changing out towels, trying to keep the internal flooding to a minimal. Well, that's the lake level. That's actually the lake level. We had to pull the boat out and all the dock sections, but where'd the boat go? That's normally all yard through there. Man. And unfortunately, that means some other projects just had to go on hold. I didn't get to work on the truck as much as I had hoped to. And I didn't get to work on the boat quite as much as I had hoped to. Kind of a bummer. But you know what they say about when life hands you lemons? Well, you're gonna have to grab those lemons and start making some lemonade. Thanks for tuning in.